back here with another video, and in today's video we are going to be testing out, trying a review on this Meguiar's clay kit. So I went to Myers and I got this clay kit for around $20, and it comes with our Meguiar's quick detailer. It comes with 2 microfiber towels, and it comes with our clay, which is right here. So first thing first, on what we're going to be needing to be doing is, if your car is or truck is dirty like mine, then you guys need to wash it first, and then we will get into the clay kit. So now we got our clay bar all flattened out. So first what we're going to do is we're going to get our quick detailer, and we're just going to spray it on the areas where we're going to use it. You can use this clay bar for headlights, you can use it for your wheels. So what we're going to do here, it's all wet now. What we're going to do is we're just going to keep smoothing it into a circle like this. Then you're going to keep flattening it and moving it around while you keep doing this. It's unbelievable that all this stuff was in my paint, even after I just got done washing it. So this clay bar did work very well. I've only done this side of it, which you can tell that it looks like a brand new paint on it. Looks awesome, versus the other side, which I'll show y'all. Might not show up, but I mean, I haven't done it this side yet. It looks amazing. It's smooth. There's no bumps in it anymore. I really recommend this kit. It's only $20 at Myers, where I got it. They also do, there's the ultimate compound right there, which after you're done with clay barring it, you can go and buff it, and it kind of gets just rid of some of the swirls that you might have in your paint, and it just makes it even look more glossier. So if you guys did like this video, please like and subscribe. That is it for me.